Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade guys with a 2.4 Multiair engine, you have engine light on and you have any of the following guys 4 codes. I'm talking about code P0340 P0341 P0342 or P0343. Stay with us guys and we'll explain most likely what causes these codes and how to fix that today guys. As you can see, we have the engine out. Why? Pretty simple. We removed it because we were doing engine replacement, and in the meantime guys we made more than 100 videos taking that whole engine apart guys, and we're planning on making more than 100 videos about engine diagnostics, codes and common problems. Why we do all that? This is guys because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information. Now if you guys need to buy any of the replacement parts or tools to fix your problem, check out the links in the description of the video below guys. We'll share them for your convenience. I want to show you guys which computer we use for diagnostics here in the shop guys. Many of you ask me in the comment section what tool do you use and all that stuff. This is our everyday computer guys, and we use it on Jeep quite a bit as well. This is the #1 computer we use, and if we need something really more serious then we go to the MK908, but this is amazing computer guys for having around. Why? Because it works on all American cars, all European cars pretty much, and all Asian vehicles. My favorite thing about that computer, it's affordable guys, and it can pay itself off in one-time use. Number 2, you can access every system in your car, every computer, and you probably have more than 20-30 guys. You can read codes, delete codes from every computer and see live data, so that makes it the #1 thing on the go guys. So this is our engine here. Upper engine cover guys, you can see we painted it white. Yours will be black most likely. You just grab and pull that thing out. Okay, and this is guys your engine right here. And now if you have a Jeep Compass, you will notice that your intake duct, air intake duct, will be a little bit shorter because of the location of the air filter box, but other than that the engine is exactly the same. The codes guys that relate, okay, that we're talking about 340 all the way to 343, they relate to camshaft position sensor. Your camshaft position sensor, if you come on the very right side of the engine, right under the valve cover, you have one sensor. It's called a camshaft position sensor. This sensor detects the angle of the camshaft guys. You have only one sensor. Most 4-cylinders nowadays they have 2, but this one has only one sensor because the timing chain has only one sprocket, okay. On the camshaft, on the back side guys, the valves are actually controlled by, you have the variable timing with variable timing on every cylinder guys. So the camshaft will be the #1 thing to blame guys for these codes. Bad camshaft position sensor. We will share the link in the description of the video below for that sensor. If you need to buy one, we have a video on the channel guys. We demonstrated on a BMW how to test the camshaft position sensor as well. Now another thing to check, make sure that the connector is plugged all the way in, and make sure when it's connected, make sure that you push that red thing in place. That could be a problem as well guys. Make sure that the connection is good, okay. Remove the camshaft position sensor, clean it, okay. Sometimes you have metal particles like kind of like dust stuck to it, that can affect it as well. And see if that doesn't fix the problem, replace the sensor. Now, not very often, but in some cases after you replace the sensor you have to rewarm the camshaft and the crankshaft position sensor. Or let's say you worked on the timing, you had to remove the cylinder head or timing chain. You have to synchronize to calibrate the camshaft and the crankshaft position sensor. And if you want to see how to do that, we have the video on the channel guys, but most of the times it will be just a bad sensor that throws that code. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.